Hey, yo, what's up? You see that? I did that. I customized it myself. Yeah, I did that. I'm so happy. But we're gonna fix it. Well, we're actually gonna take it apart and then fix it. But this video is gonna be taking it apart, even though, you know, the road kind of took it apart somewhat for me. Made it easier to get to the bolts, you know, because there's a big hole right here. You know, I can reach in there now. Look, I mean, I'm not 100% sure what's wrong with it. I tried soaking it in rice. It didn't fix it, obviously. I tried turning it off and turning it back on. I tried multiple solutions to fix it, but it's not fixing it. So I guess we're just gonna have to manually put it back together. I mean, turning it off didn't fix it. Soaked it in rice. It's done in pretty good. In all seriousness, though, I got lucky because it only broke that switch. Didn't hurt any of my levers. Didn't hurt the grips. Didn't bend anything in the front end. The front end is still perfectly straight. I've already taken it up the road and gotten it up to like 45, 50 mile an hour. It's not pulling. Nothing's messed up. It broke the front upper stay. It just did just a little bit of damage to the plastics, you know, just scratched them up just a little bit. That's all, you know, just scratched them. But seriously, it didn't hurt the crankcase. It didn't hurt the motor at all. Nothing in there is hurt. You know, the tank, you know, just got a little minor dent in it, you know, just something little, you know. The damage is actually pretty minor for, you know, this thing sliding off the road and going into the ditch at 60 mile an hour. You know, that's pretty minimal damage. We're here and we're gonna fix it today. Ain't that right, Lucille? We're gonna fix you. You're gonna be fine. You're not done yet. You thought you were gonna take the easy way out. No. But first we will say hi to Pupper. Hello, Pupper number one. This is Big Woofer. Her name is Nala. Say hi, Nala. Say hi. What do you mean? You don't love me? You what? Oh my goodness. I don't even want to talk to you right now. Then we got Subwoofer here. Subwoofer Toby. He's very old man. He's sleeping. Oh, okay. Goddamn, I'm sorry. But no, seriously, now we're gonna cut to the time lapse of me tearing the bike apart because, you know, that's what we're gonna do. So 3, 2, 1. So for those of you wondering, we're gonna do like, I'm gonna stop the video every now and again and just like explain to you in case one of y'all like have one of these bikes and you wanna know how to take plastics off, because I don't know how to do it. Only thing I've ever had it down to is the seat off. This is honestly as far as I've ever had the bike apart, including the front end, you know, customized by Crunch. This is your servo for like your exhaust, but you know, we put the loud boy on there so we don't have to worry about that. But if you wanna avoid the engine light coming on, just take the cables off of it. Like literally, just leave this thing here and let it turn on and off. You never have to worry about the, well, I mean, you know, I don't have to worry about an engine light because, you know, there is no, there is no light there for it to come on. You just leave that on there. It still thinks it's working, but it's not because, you know, the bike's stupid. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. You're not stupid. You're very smart. You're very smart. I'm sorry. Hey. It's not my fault. Hey, it's not. Well, okay. Maybe it is. Okay. Either way, but pretty much how you take these bikes apart is, take the back seat off. There's bolts here, and then these two main bolts. You pull the back cover off. It slides up, and then all this stuff up in here is Velcroed. You take the bolt out that's up here, and then the side pieces pop off. The reason why I'm showing you this side is because you obviously couldn't see it, because, you know, that side's already been taken off. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go back to the time lapse. Ta-da! We got it tore down. All on the driver's side. There's this big, like, computer box that sits right here. I'm not 100% sure what it goes to, but I know that it's there. And luckily the plugins are colored, so you can't plug it back up wrong. The turn signals. It kind of had me worried because I didn't know if the turn signals were going to be broke or not, but they're not. This one isn't, at least. Double check the motor and everything all up in there. All this stuff's still good. None of that got hurt up too bad. But yeah, this is pretty much the left side of the bike. I'm pretty sure the new plastic kit comes with this, but I'm not going to take that off because I think it's extra work for no reason. That one right there is perfectly fine. What I'll do is I'll keep the new one up in a cabinet or something in case it breaks or something goes wrong. You never know. Tire rubber eventually builds up on that. It won't come off or something. And I just want to put a new one on it. Then I'll do that later on. But I tell you, I'm being honest with you. This is not taking long at all. This is easy. This is easy. Like, tearing down these bikes takes no time. Well, she tore down. Look, she naked. She not had no clothes on. Put some clothes on, you dirty hoe. The front brake lines where they mounted to the back of the front, I don't know what you call it. It's like a wheel cover, I guess. I don't know. But they're pop riveted on, but I didn't realize the brake line slid in and out of those little mounts. So there's that. I don't know if the new plastics has those mounts on it, so I might have to drill the rivets out of the other one. I'll show you where they're at. Just see that? They got little rivets in them. I might have to drill those out and put new ones on it, but until then, it can sit right there. All this came off of that. This is all stuff I'm gonna save. This is that little computer box I was talking about. I don't know what this thing is. I don't know what it is. There's the seat. I don't know if I'm gonna put these back on because I don't like them. 420 blaze it did. It's pretty much tore apart. I gotta take it outside. I'm gonna wash the crankcase. and the motor and all that stuff.
Now, what should they do? What should they do before they go off the video? What should they do? What should they do? Now, what should they do? Oh, get Paul? Oh, it's a good girl. Her's a good puppy. Oh, yes, her is. What should they do before they get off the video, though? And, you know, not. You know. There you go, that's my girl. You know what to do. It's been a fun teardown. Nala, was it fun? Was it fun? Was it fun? You're gonna go outside in a minute. Okay, whatever. Anyway, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll be back with a put back together video. That's it. I love you guys. Peace out.